If you have a home garden, you might be looking forward to harvesting tomatoes very soon.
Yes, very soon. They're starting to ripen, and hopefully, with the help of the mighty tomato gods, you'll soon have an abundance of juicy produce to cook with.
Our friend has just the recipe to put all your tomatoes to use. 5 Eyewitness News anchor Paul Folger is here to share tonight's Monday night meal, sponsored by Nordic Ware. Paul, hey.
Did I summon the tomato gods?
You have done it.
That was something.
You've done it. I mean, any day we're going to have tomatoes, but until that time, we've got the canned tomato.
The great canned tomato.
So this is all you need to make this soup. And of course, you know you can always open a can of tomato soup and add the water and all this stuff. So this is one that you can make at home, that you don't need all of those things. You can use your garden tomatoes, but take a can like this. This is 28 ounces, okay? And then just dump it in your bowl, in your pan, and then take chicken broth.
Okay.
You can use any kind of stock that you want, veggie stock, any of those things.
So that's just personal preference.
And whatever you have, whatever you like, you can even use water on this if you've got nothing else.
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah.
In the meantime, we're also going to make some grilled cheese. So I want one of you guys, and this is Dorito grilled cheese.
Dorito.
Okay,
You
so I
are
want
kidding
one
me.
of Ben. We're going to give that to Ben because
Sounds
he's
like
my
grilled
crusher.
cheese loco.
Yes.
Okay, crush that up. Lindsay, I'm going to have you butter our bread. So you add one 28-ounce can of your stock as well, okay? So just use the same can. That makes this very easy.
Super easy.
And if you get your tomatoes from the farmer's market or you're growing them in your garden, then you have instant tomato soup. All you need is a can of stock for this.
But what you're doing today, that's going to have lovely flavor as well.
So it'll have great flavor, and if you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can make this all winter long. So I've got butter in my saute pan for our bread. Okay, so you got that nicely
is
crushed.
this pulverized enough?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay,
that's great.
all right.
That's perfect.
I mean, it's kind of satisfying.
Yeah,
You know, it's like
it feels good to
It's like
do that.
ASMR. Should I do this like real close to the microphone?
Everyone will love it.
That's really good.
Okay, so here are the spices that you need to put into this soup. You need a half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of thyme, a half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then this, so go ahead and pop those in.
Look at you with the labeling.
Yeah, I like the label thing.
So good. That's why you're not allowed in my kitchen.
So good.
Again.
That way
So
you don't
good.
forget what you're doing.
Am I allowed to
Yep.
pop it in?
Okay,
Am I
so
still-
hang on just a minute.
Oh, you're a little overzealous with the old grilled cheese.
I'm
there.
trying to help Paul.
Hang on to what you got for just a second, because this is important for your tomato soup, okay? So put in, these are Parmesan rinds. Okay, so you know you grate your Parmesan,
Yeah.
you always have this bit at the end you can't eat and it's hard as a rock. Put it in soup.
But it's really salty
okay?
and good.
Yes, so this will really flavor your soup. Okay?
So will that actually break down though?
So it will not break down, so you want to pull it out in your last step of this.
Oh.
So yeah. So okay, so this is how we get our Dorito grilled cheese.
This is the craziest idea, Paul.
So
I know. Yeah, where
all
did you come
do-
up with this? Just
So, well, you know, here's where I came up with it. There's a Dorito Taco Bell deal that they have, right?
Yeah.
And so I saw this on there, and I was like, why can't you make this out of grilled cheese? So just take this and dump this on here like this. Okay. And then
This
you
is
pop
not
it
what I
on
was
here like
expecting.
this. Okay. And then you just give it a flip, and you let it start grilling.
So the pieces are inside with the
The
cheese.
pieces are inside.
I thought for
with
sure
the
you're going to
cheese.
put it on the butter
thought it was a
side.
I tried to do it on the outside.
And it didn't
Yeah,
work?
it failed for me. I was like, this is not going to work.
But that's why you're so good, Paul. Is that you're
Okay,
able to just
so I was like, you
readjust.
know, this is not going to be the thing. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's finish up our tomato soup.
Let's do that.
This is what you do. When you're finishing up your tomato soup, I'm looking for my...
What are you looking for?
You want to dig out. So time has gone by. Pretend that we have this made like
Yeah,
this.
we need to get our
okay?
Parmesan chunks
So we got
out.
to get our chunks out.
Okay, and you're doing that again just for the salty flavor?
Just for the salty flavor.
Okay.
So this is only going to cook about 15 minutes, okay? So, and then take an immersion blender. Yeah, step back.
Yeah.
And you want to, you can do this right on.
Ooh, I love an
Oh
immersion
gosh,
blender.
that's so fun.
Okay, and so you're just going to smash all of these up.
Okay, this isn't you were so nice and kind to have some of us over during the holidays. Now,
Yeah, yeah.
this wasn't the same tomato soup that you made.
No, that
then.
was like a clear broth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
that's
we
right.
had a
That was
clear
like a-
broth. I forgot about that. Yeah. So there's a way you can make a clear broth, and it's really consommé, is what it is. And then,
delightful.
and what you do is you actually take it and you use egg whites, and it pulls out the color. So after this has cooked for about, after you've used your immersion blender, put your cheese back in for a couple of minutes and just let it simmer. And this is going to get thick, and it's going to have a much better flavor in it, and it's going to just kind of infuse through all of
And
that.
if you don't have an immersion blender, I assume you can use your own
You could
stand-up
use
blender.
you could use a blender at home. You can use you can mash it up, but I like to get it as fine as I can.
Thank you.
So
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah,
This
give
looks
it a
too good.
shot.
What did you put? Now you're right. That does thicken up. What did you
Yeah.
put on top here?
So that's just a little bit of whipping cream in there, so you could add it in whipping
It's
cream.
delightful.
Yeah, it's tasty,
It's
right?
and the texture is
Yeah.
really nice. But I
Yeah.
guess I need to go ahead and have a bite of it.
So and then
Holy
there's your grilled
smokes.
cheese.
That is so yummy and the perfect complement.
It's good.
You got to have grilled cheese if you're going to have tomato soup, right?
And the Doritos make it nice and thick.
And a
Super
little bit
delicious.
of crunchy.
Really good.
Paul, you are like a little
You guys
kitchen
got it.
wizard. Thank
So,
you.
Yeah, and that's easy to do. You guys can do this at home, and probably you have it in your cabinet, or you have those tomatoes in your freezer in another month or so.
Right. It was delicious. And
Fantastic.
So fast.
Yep.
Fantastic. All right. We have this recipe here, and along with we have a bonus recipe for Paul's Dorito grilled cheese.